Hey guys, it's Curly Eye Candy and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my own gel nails since I cannot go to the nail shop and get my nails done. My nails have already been prepped off camera, so let's get right into it. First, I'm going to go in with my nail primer. This is from Mia Secrets. I ordered all of these things off Amazon, and all of this information or the products that I use will be in the description box. I'm going to go in and apply this to all of my nails, and this will ensure that the gel does not fall off, because the last time I did this, I forgot to add this and all of my gel fell off within 5 minutes. Now I will be applying my gel base coat from Candy Lover. Here is the product. All of this stuff has been ordered from Amazon, as I stated. So make sure you guys get it. I actually like it, and this is the only gel base I had on hand. Now I'm going to cure my nails under my UV light. I also got this from Amazon as well, and I cured it for 1 minute and 20 seconds. Since I'm using gel polish, a UV light is very necessary for this process. Now that that's complete, I'm going to go in with a regular polish. I got this from Amazon as well, and this is basically like a unicorn type feel. The whole package that I got came in for, it was like a unicorn, or the unicorn colors, maybe like pink, blue, gray, and like a glitter, like very pretty colors. I'm making sure that I apply this polish as neatly as possible so that I won't have much to clean up from my mess ups. As you get further into this video, you will see that I didn't do my right hand. I was really struggling trying to get that polish on my right hand because I am right-handed. So me trying to do it with my left hand was pretty much a struggle. So I did not do my right hand on camera. I'm going to go in with the second coat on this color for my nails to ensure that I get a cute color. I don't want a thin coat, I wanted a really thick coat. I mean, not too thick, but you understand what I'm saying. Mind you guys, I am not licensed. I don't have a nail license. This is what I am doing, and doing my nails how I see fit. I am new to this. I'm a newbie to my nails, but your girl really needed her nails done because we can't go to the nail shop, y'all. And it's just really getting ridiculous. I'm not going to the nail shop. My nails pretty much air dried off camera, and I'm going to go in with a Q-tip and some acetone to clean up the areas that are a little messy. And these are items that I had in my home. If you cannot go to the beauty supply store and get all this extra stuff, a Q-tip works just fine. If you have not already, please make sure you subscribe, like, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. I'm going to add this glitter, this really cute glitter, to my ring finger. I really thought it was cute, and I wanted to do, I guess, a little style, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. This is the look of my nails with the glitter added. Not too bad. Now I'm going to add my top coat, which is from Candy Lover as well, and I will apply this on every nail, including my right hand. I think I did this I think I did my right hand on camera, y'all. But after I get done applying this to all my nails, I'm going to cure it under my UV light. need this, but this is the glass finish from Mia Secrets. This is also a gel polish. I just like how it makes my nails look very, very shiny and like a glass-like look. I will also sit under put my hands under my UV light once this is done as well for a minute and 20 seconds. Now for the filing. This is pretty much optional. I like to file my nails, especially with the glass finish on it, to get a better shape, because sometimes when you dry this it can get a little bit messy. So I just like to reshape my nails. I'll be using alcohol to remove any tacky layer that I see on my nails, and I'm actually going to apply this alcohol to all of my nails. Cotton balls is the only thing that I had in the house. You can use alcohol wipes if you have any, but I didn't have any alcohol wipes. Your nails ain't complete if you don't apply the cuticle oil, baby. Now with the cuticle oil, it will be in the description box. Once again, these are all products that I ordered off Amazon, and this stuff smells so good, y'all. When I tell you that it smells good, woo child, it smells good. My nails are all complete. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.